Am I the only one that didn't know how fascinating rattlesnakes are? In the heart of the American deserts, a warning sound echoes. A rattlesnake, coiled and ready, shakes its tail. This sound is a message: stay back! The rattle is a marvel of nature, a warning system unlike any other. But how does this rattle work? What's inside that makes the noise? The answer lies in the clever design of the rattle itself. The rattle is made of a special material called keratin. This is the same material that makes up our fingernails and hair. Keratin is strong and lightweight, perfect for a rattle. The rattle is not one solid piece. It is made of interlocking segments. These segments fit together loosely, like puzzle pieces. Our Gap 3S. Before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to connect. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Here's a fun challenge. Can you guess what's coming next? Share your guesses in the comments. Now let's get back to it. Every time a rattlesnake sheds its skin, a new segment is added to the rattle. The oldest segment is at the tip, furthest from the snake's body. The newest segment is at the base, closest to the tail. You can tell a rattlesnake's age by counting the segments, right? Not quite. Rattlesnakes can shed their skin several times a year. Segments can also break off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more fascinating content about the natural world. When the rattlesnake vibrates its tail muscles, the segments knock together. This creates the rattling sound. The faster the tail shakes, the higher the pitch of the rattle. The rattle is a brilliant adaptation, warning animals of the snake's presence. It is a reminder of the ingenuity and diversity of life on our planet.